A new partnership is working to improve access to fresh food across West Michigan.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell spoke with officials behind the program, and he's here to tell us how it works. Kyle?
Brian and Sue, it's called a feel-good fridge, and the goal is to create more locations people can turn to for fresh food.
It'll do it. Come on, bro. You got it.
LifeQuest Ministries will now be able to offer fresh groceries to people in need thanks to a fridge donated by Whirlpool.
Refrigerators are returned to us. We are putting them through our return centers. We're testing them, cleaning them up, and then we are shipping them to nonprofit agencies.
Feeding America is providing the food to stock what the partnership calls a feel-good fridge, allowing the community access to fresh produce and perishable food items, something more challenging to find at many food pantries.
We hear that nutritious food is what they want, and we distribute a lot of that through our mobile food pantry program, but this is another way that we can get fresh food into people's hands.
The program is in its early stages and started in Benton Harbor, where Whirlpool's headquarters is located. LifeQuest Ministries will be the first location in Grand Rapids.
I'm so grateful that now we're able to expand on our service offering to one of the most underinvested areas in our entire city. So for us, it's like Christmas has come early.
The program is planning to expand to additional cities in Michigan like Muskegon and Muskegon Heights and across the country.